The cover kit for the Scrambler icon by Van Orton design arrives. Ducati presents the cover kit for the Scrambler icon customized by Van Orton design, a Turin duo among the most important exponents of European digital art, a limited edition, available in just 50 units. This first collection of interchangeable covers confirms the importance of the concept of customization within the Scrambler universe. The collaboration between Scrambler Ducati and Van Orton has also enriched with the launch of a new capsule collection, a streetwear-inspired unisex clothing collection in full Scrambler style. The Van Orton x Scrambler Ducati cover kit can already be ordered from dealerships in the Borgo Panigale Company network. Delivery will take place inside a special box with dedicated graphics in which the kit will be accompanied by the certificate of authenticity and a series of surprises in full Land of Joy style. The capsule will soon be available for purchase both at Ducati dealers and online in the Scrambler section of the Ducati shop.